Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a workspace in Slack. Now to create a workspace, what you have to do is just open up your Slack software or just open up a browser and go to Slack. Just go to slack.com website. From here, just put in your email address and click on sign in with email. Make sure to select I'm not a robot. Just give it some time and click on sign in with email again. A code will be sent to your email. Just give that here. After pasting the code here, you'll be welcome to this screen. From here, you'll get an option to create another workspace. Just click on that. Then here, you need to agree to send you marketing emails, or you can uncheck this. Then click on continue to new workspace. Just give it some time. And after it loads, it's going to ask you for your workspace name. Let's give it Take a Workspace. That's my name. As you can see right here, it's going to show it like this. Then just click on next. Then just select what's your name and what's your picture in the workspace and click on next again. Put in every email of teammates and everybody you want to add to your workspace, or you can skip it for now. I'm just gonna skip it. Don't invite anyone. Then just give it some time. It's going to create the workspace for you. You can either go with the pro plan. For that, you need to pay a subscription fee, or you can continue for free. Just click on continue with free. Then just give it some time. It's gonna welcome you to Slack and set up your workspace. It's gonna ask you about how big your organization is. Just select that and click on next. And after that, it will ask you how you will be using your Slack. Just select which one suits you and click on get started. And there you go. A new workspace has been created just for you. And basically, that is how to add workspace in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.